Hello, this is Paul, Findlay-Evans Waterproofing. We're here on another case scenario I'd like to share with you. It's a below ground basement. This is a home that was built for a chap who's an engineer. He wanted to make sure everything was honky-dory, so we basically went to great lengths, and it was in the midst of really bad weather. So there was a bit of a panic on to get the coatings on. And fortunately, a lick of rubber can go on a slightly dampened surface. It does take longer to cure, but it can go on. So our applicators basically did all the preparation work in one day and then came back and did the spray job on another day. There was a lot of hand detailing there just to make sure everything was right, particularly the cold joint at the bottom, and worked that out and worked that nicely. The space was fairly confined, as the photos show, so it was a little bit of a difficult job to get in and out. There was a pier and beam perimeter, and then this was built inside the pier and beam scenario. So the pier and beam was used as a retaining wall, and then the envelope was built within that. Detailing around penetrations and so on is imperative in these type of jobs, so we gave that great deal of detailing, then oversprayed the whole job completely, and to be a quite successful job. Then the Arma-Blue protection material went on afterwards, and that protects the membrane from any damage once they're backfilling, and basically creates another semi-waterproof layer as well. All installed, went pretty well. We're very happy with the results, and the customer is very happy, and it was quite a difficult job. So thanks for listening to this, and if you care to talk to us about anything, give us a call on 88122918. We can always contact us here on the website, which is at the bottom of the page. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.